Should be blinking any second.
It better be.
Dad, keep it.
I don't know, did it slow down?
It's not far.
Dad?
Gabe, it's not blinking yet.
It looks like it did slow down.
Great, price stopped.
It might have.
Pull up again.
It's still coming this way, just really slow.
Oh, I see it now.
Dad, you keep it.
Not yet, Gabe. There it goes.
Mom, Dad, window up. Window up. Tunnel. No.
The window's all blurry right
Gabe, you want to go home? Kendall, it hurts his ears.
No, Dad.
It hurts his ears.
Turn it down.
Kendall,
I
hush.
can hear it.
Listen, you can. It's too loud.
Wait, it's
I don't know.
No, but it looks different. Oh, no, it's not.
Wait,
CN! 2 engines.
Oh boy.
No, I wanted to see the engine.
You did.
Fine, I'll put it up.
Put my window down.
Oh, double stack. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Here's one, Gabe.
The left.
Double stacks.
I like double stacks. Dad, this is the window now. Turn it. Dad, look at Dad. Dad, look at Dad. The same as left on ya. Dad, look at Dad. The same as left.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Dad, go very
Oh, look how big the boxcars are.
Yeah.
Mom, make it on video.
I am, Gabe.
I'm never coming again. Yeah. I can put it off next time again.
Yeah, next time, buddy.
No. I'm going big. I'm not going for one.
Kendall, enough.